If you want to see what Fletch Flips sold over this long holiday weekend, this includes Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We sold quite a number of things and made some solid profits. So let's just skim through them. This is the first item of 17 we sold over the weekend. So let's get ripping through them. Bought this for $1 at a garage sale. This is just one of the parts that I sold off of it. Sold numerous other parts. So a pretty profitable little flip. Sold this Coleman Sportster camp stove for $30. That gentleman made an offer and I accepted it. Bought it for $9 along with another one at an estate sale. Purchased an entire Kirby with all the attachments for $60 at an estate sale. Sold this power head nozzle for $27.77 plus the shipping. Just one of the many parts we get off of a Kirby. Purchased this beautiful Ware teapot for $5 at a thrift store. Usually can get them less at garage sales and estate sales, but I bought it anyways because it did make a little money and they're super simple. Purchased this 3M transparency film that's used for overhead projectors. Bought it at a thrift store for $3 on Friday. It sold on Saturday for $27.77. Picked up these Buffalo David Britton Jackson jeans for $4 at a thrift store. Sold them for $12.77 plus the shipping. Another thrift store buy, the same individual bought the Buffalo jeans, bought this jacket for $22.77 plus the shipping. Bought this for $5 at the thrift store. Hang in there. I'm going to show you our net profit after all the fees and everything at the end of this video, what we made over the weekend. Another handy green spreader made by Scott's. We've bought a lot of these. They always sell. Paid $3. Another Dirt Devil part. These are solid sellers for us. And the same individual bought this part also. I messaged him to make sure that he intended to order both of them just to make certain, and he said he did. He has 2 Dirt Devil vacuums that he needs to fix. Another vintage Atlantic 20-disc CD tower. We've sold a lot of these over the last several years. $19.77 plus the shipping. We bought this at an estate sale for only $1. A Royal Prince handheld vacuum belt cover plug. Bought this vacuum for $5. This is just one of the parts we sold off of it. Nice little flip. Oh, a Bissell vacuum sweeper we bought for $5 at a garage sale. Parted it out. We made over $200 selling this vacuum sweeper by the parts. We did a video on it. You might want to like and subscribe and check it out. My girl Leslie picked these shoes up at a thrift store for $5. Sold them for $22.77 plus the shipping. Nice flip. This is one of the many tools that we purchased at an estate sale. Snap-on tools, Matco tools. We even got a Snap-on toolbox. We didn't spend all that much money for the amount of money we're going to make, which is potentially $1,000 or more. So you're going to want to check that video out. That'll be coming out in the next week or two. And yet another Dirt Devil part. We love Dirt Devils. And another pair of shoes that my girl that I've been married to for 47 years, met in high school, picked up this pair of Merrells for only $7. Sold $47.77 plus the shipping. She's amazing. Hey, I just want to say thank you for all of our subscribers that have faithfully followed us and watched our videos. It's greatly appreciated. Leslie and I love all of you. And if you're new here, we greatly appreciate you here also. And we hope that you'll take the time to like and subscribe and come back and see us. We love doing this. We have a blast doing this. And it's a nice little side income. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. And live a crazy good day.